What is up, guys? Today it's me and my brother, and we're playing Granny, and I'm gonna be being hilarious. So let's do the disco. Oots, 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 oots. Alright. Hello, children. I've woken up from my nap. It's time for your daily beating. I see you. Can't escape. Always get you.
This thing has turbo burns.
How do I like fun? Too old.
Try shift.
Doesn't do anything.
Try W. You're moving. Congrats.
I wanted to run.
Run. I'm afraid I can't help you there. God, I need to strip this car.
I'm after you. Die. Rest in peace. Let's go in here. I got potty. In here. Okay, that was nice. Ow! I've fallen and I can't get up. I've fallen and I can't get up. Oh. Okay. Let's lock him in. What?
My favorite car is the one I'm working on right now.
I don't care.
Are you? Is this your third time of being Granny? No, it's just second.
This is my second. Because I am your granny. And you will get
Your Granny.
and you're running away from your daily beating.
Aww. Okay, I'm coming, Granny.
You better. Is that blood on your beat? Better not be
Is that blood on your bat?
Yes.
No, it's a perfectly clean bat.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to fix what I can.
Ooh, I could buy an iron bat.
What do better bats do?
Nothing.
This is so cool.
I mean, I could make
Upgrade
myself
speed.
faster.
That's what you need to do. I have 0. Oh, you're not Granny this time. Congrats.
Yay, I'm not Granny. Yay. Hide and seek. Please no beating.
80.
Yay, hide and seek. Please no beating this time.
Nope. You will get your beating.
What's in here? Grandma, why is there a hole in your wall? I'm outside.
Why isn't there a hole in your wall?
I'm outside. Yeet. Oh. Everybody can go outside. Oh God. Grandma, what did you do to your pool? Grandma, your pool killed me. Not again.
It's the first time.
I should have learned.
Should have learned it's Granny. You never swim in random green stuff.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Peace.